Hi, I'm Francois. Welcome to the channel.
All right, let's take a look at how to make this pad sound. There's our sound source. And we are using basic shapes in Wavetable right here. We are using a sine wave in oscillator 1, and we are using the saw wave in oscillator 2. And we have a clean filter with 12 decibels per octave. And then in the matrix, nothing is controlling anything else. We just have the amplifier set to an attack time of 11 milliseconds, decay at 1.6 seconds, and the sustain is very high up, so we have a very stable sound. All oscillators are off, we don't hear anything. This is only saw. And we have it set to poly mode, so it can play 8 voices right here. And very important for the sound, unison is set to shimmer. If you have no unison, your sound is centered. So put on shimmer, 3 voices, playing at the same time, amount 20% up. Activate oscillator 1 again and deactivate oscillator 2. So that's our sine wave part. That's our saw wave part. And mixing these two sounds is just incredibly nice always. For pad sounds, it's perfect. It's sort of always what I'm looking for in a pad. It's great. And the frequency right here to 400, so we don't open it up too wide. We have a lot of stuff covering those higher frequencies. We just want to have this subtly in the background. And Wavetable just sounds beautiful right here. It's superb. You don't really need anything else. You can just go ahead and use this one. So that's our pad sound. We are just cutting off some low frequencies in the course on the track and sending it a little bit to the sides. All right, that's our pad sound with Wavetable.